Y'all, I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day, but on my way, I'm gonna eat. So,
You relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but
hey guys, so I didn't really film like an intro, but I just decided to clean up my apartment before my day tomorrow.
fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need.
So I got a package from Amazon. I got this plant, so I'm just putting it together. So I had to wake up really early the next day, and I had to go to the gym, but I ended up sleeping in because yeah, I just didn't feel like going to the gym. So after that, I decided to go and get an oil change. After my oil change, I ended up doing my makeup. I'm just done with my makeup appointment. I did an oil change, my makeup, and I'm out of breath. I'm sorry. Oh, this iron is hot. I try to do my hair a little bit because my hair just looks like whatever. It currently is 2:45 and I have to leave. I have to head over there at 3 o'clock. So a girl needs to hurry up and go like fast, okay? But yeah, my makeup eats. She always eats. She always does a great job. Y'all, I haven't ate anything and I'm so hungry. I'm starving. And I'm trying to manage like vlogging and social media and all this shit all at once. This shit is hard. This is really hard. Like trying to manage like everything at once because I want to post on Snapchat, vlog, I want to do a TikTok. Like I feel overstimulated, but it's okay. All right, so if I leave now, I get there at 4:05. But I need to go to the hair store. So hair store, or it's 6 minutes away. I get there at 2:53. So let's get the on and go, because yeah, a girl needs to go. Guys, I might drop the camera, so bear with me. Yeah, I be just whipping my car, not gonna lie. And I don't have like a tripod. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day, but on my way, I'm gonna eat. So, I did not eat nothing. Like, it is currently 2:50, pushing 3. Probably by 3:20, I will get some food. I'm going to this hair store called Classy Hair. I really hope they have some type of earrings. All right, I just got here. This man looking at me, and he looking at me when I'm in my car. I hate when people do that. I don't be doing that. I just be going inside the place. I don't be looking up inside the car. So I'm gonna go inside Classy Beauty. Yeah, I'm in Classy Beauty, so yeah. And I don't know if I want to bring my camera in. I'm kind of shy. All right, I just put these earrings in. Got these. Or should I eat Wendy's? Probably gonna eat Wendy's because that is... Nah, I want Polo. I want Polo.
For fries?
Fries, please.
French fries?
What size? Small?
You want quarter chicken, rice, and beans?
Can I substitute the rice and beans to fries?
Okay, you want to change rice and beans for French fries?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then can I do green sauce?
Okay. The cilantro?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then could I do a large Sprite?
Diet Coke?
A large Sprite?
3035. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Can I have one more green sauce, please?
Carrot?
One more green sauce?
Cilantro?
Yes, please.
Come on.
Thank you. And they gave me extra sauce. I only said one more sauce, but they gave me extra sauce. So I'm happy with that. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. But I'm just trying to get on the highway first and then eat. You know what? This person's taking long. Okay, I got a Sprite. I got some fries. It's hot anyway. I hope they give me bread. But yeah, so I just got some fries. How to eat on the way because it's 4:28 and I just don't trust Miami. I'm going past Miami, so I've been just rushing all day today. Like I didn't even have an intro or anything for you guys, and I'm sorry. But at least I'll have an outro for tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat and drive and later. I knock it off. Run away as fast as you can. So I just got here, guys, 4:47, and I'm just gonna wait for everyone. The other girls gonna get here like around, I'll say like 5:10, 5:15, and then the photo shoot girl, she, like the photographer, she is late, but she's late, like she gets here at like 5:45, but I'm not complaining because that will give us more time, and more time the better. So because we still have to roll our hairs and change, and then I brought my makeup bag to fix anything. I want to take this contact out so bad, but I'm just gonna wait like till I get home. Like, and it's so annoying because my contacts were supposed to come yesterday, but when I'm done with the photo shoot I have to get gas on the way home. And this is not where my house is. Like, whoa. Imagine if I left during traffic time, like actually like at 5. Guys, I would have not had made it.
Baby, you make me come. She shaking, make it flow with the wind. Baby, you. I'm singing the beat like the beans. Motherfucker pinks in the beat that no red. I know that you're going to do nothing if I gotta be the one.
Is this it? So I just finished the photo shoot, and it was nice. I didn't really get anything behind the scenes and stuff because I was trying to like get everything together, and yeah, but I just showed you like the sneak peek of it. Anyways, you guys can check my Instagram for the pictures. But I want to get some tacos because I know I drove all the way out here, so I'm like, I need to get some food out here because like duh. Okay, so yeah, it's all the way in Kendall. So it's literally just a 22-minute drive. But yeah, I'm finna go right now to the taco place, and I'll see you guys when I get there. And yeah, so I just got here and I'm about to eat some of this. It's called la cata. I don't know how to say it. So I thought they had like appetizers and stuff, but no, they just have tacos. So I just got 2 tacos. It was 29 bucks. I don't know if that's a lot, but I really like these tacos. These tacos were good, but also I was not sober when I had these tacos. So hopefully these tacos are really, really good. And I hope so, because it was good when I tried it last time. But I need some gas again. So hopefully this place takes Apple Pay, because I need to order a card like desperately. Like I can't keep doing Apple Pay. Like I just can't do it. Like I just can't. I want to take a picture of the menu. I'm like, do y'all have appetizers? I was like, I would have ate some like chips and queso on the way home, but they don't have chips and queso, sadly, because it sounds real good. I'm looking at the menu. They have like a crunch wrap. Okay. Taco Tuesday, $2 tacos. I should have went there, but it's just so far. Like they need to put their business like somewhere else. Like it's just so. I'm so happy right now too, because the guy said that this is their second opening. So they were shut down, I guess, or maybe for the holidays, and now they're back open. So I'm so happy. And yes, I can't wait to eat. Like this is what I'm about to eat, y'all. No, y'all can't see, but I'm gonna do like a little mukbang on my, not mukbang, I'm gonna do like a full review on my main page. But I'm gonna eat this in the car, or maybe I can just film it in the car. But a girl's hungry and I don't feel comfortable like eating and doing a whole review right next to the food truck. Like I'm getting gas right now because I need gas. Alright, I don't want to fill my whole tank. So I'm just gonna go to BJ's. Even though I really should just fill up the whole tank, but I'm about to go home, so. Ow, I just hit my head on the thing. I was trying to get like an angle. No, I ended up hitting my head. Alright, I don't know if I want to eat my food right now. Let's see how far my house is, because a girl's far. I got a 40-minute drive. A girl gonna push through so I can eat this in peace and be a big bag. And yeah, hopefully the food is still warm and it doesn't mess up the quality. But yeah, I'm about to go home, vibe, and meet y'all when I'm home. I'm currently 27 minutes away. The music is helping because I'm not thinking about the food, so I'm just gonna continue playing the music. I hate when someone is in like the fast lane and they drive slow. Get out the fast lane. Like honestly, I'm sorry, I'm too amped up, guys. But like no, I get so irritated. Like just go in the middle lane. Like if I know I'm going slow, I'm just gonna go in the middle lane. Like y'all, I'm finally home and I went through the wrong freaking exit. But my camera's gonna die, so I can't eat this on camera. But I'm about to eat this and make a TikTok. If you want to see the video, this is my TikTok. I'm gonna eat, charge my camera, and I'll talk to you guys later. But yeah, I just made it home. The popo. Damn! A popo standoff! It is happening right now. What is going on? Man, what this? Grab my camera! Oh no! What? I was recording myself driving and my camera slipped. Are you okay? Camera, talk to me. Hey.
You hurt the camera feelings.
The outfit. Ooh, oh, okay. And then this is OTV. Hey. Boots. We both have boots. Look how aesthetic we are. We're aesthetic queens. Cute. Oh, we should take pictures like with our feet. Okay, we just got miso soup. Michaela got super yummy. We're looking at the menu. Michaela's gonna get this. And then I don't know what I want to get. I low-key want to get this, but I'm low-key afraid of it. But yo,
wait, you put Las Vegas roll?
Yeah.
What are you afraid of?
The tuna. Yeah, I never really had
You've
tuna.
never had raw sushi?
I have raw sushi, but I don't mind crab and like
Crab isn't raw though. Tuna's raw.
What is
this like? Is this your first time trying it raw though?
No, I had like salmon raw. That was nasty. But I feel like tuna is good. People eat tuna sometimes.
Looks good. This scallops looks good.
It's really awkward vlogging. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore.
Okay, so we'll give you $25 off, but I can't use them at the same time. So can we come back?
Yes, we can. So then I'll save this one for next time.
We'll be back before Valentine's Day.
Okay. The pinky.
Next week on Tuesday. Seafood boil on Tuesday. Seafood boil Tuesday.
Yes. That's probably the biggest thing I'm gonna look forward all week, to be honest. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drink my miso soup. Bye. Michaela put my sushi here. Look. Okay. Okay. Okay, she got it.
Never mind.
It's just gonna be me.
Take your chopsticks back.
I'm so sorry.
Guys, we just ate and now we got our to-go order. Yo, we got salad. It's slippery as heck on here. Look.
Let's try it.
They get. Oh no, your salad. No. Okay, I'm gonna record your reaction.
You want a fork or a spoon?
I'll just do whatever. Okay. Then the camera's quality is not good. The lighting's not good. I'm just gonna show this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat this because the quality. I mean, it's nasty and it doesn't taste good. It tastes like ginger. Okay.
Time to try the roll.
Yes.
Can you hold the camera or turn it
Yes,
off?
I put it. What sauce? The garlic sauce?
Yeah.
Is this it? No, that's not it.
All right, we're ready to try it.
It just fell on me. It just fell.
Can I try it first? It smells so good. Is it worth 16? Wait, look. Let me see the camera. This bitch is eating behind the camera. That's why she can't focus. It's not worth $16 because of how small it is. Look at that. A waste of a shrimp. So, what do you rate the roll?
It's good, but with my garlic sauce.
I also agree. It would have been better with the garlic sauce.
I'm about to go ask for it. Let's go ask.
You want to go ask for the garlic sauce? Good night.